Hi friends, welcome to Abhi Tutorials. So I came across a Power BI interview question paper where the questions are given on time intelligence. It's a case study. So we have to solve this paper to select into the interview. So let us see how to solve this question paper. These are the questions like items to be done. So he has given a data, date and the sales. Okay, so and he has given some time intelligence problems, so we have to write measures for all these things. Okay, and he is asking to create a slicer, date slicer for user to select the duration. Okay, so let us see how to solve this. So I have prepared a Power BI matrix and I have written the measures, so I will explain one by one. So I created a first, whenever you give the data, first you have to create a calendar table like this. Okay, calendar auto, using the calendar auto function we will create a calendar table. After that we will see the measures and all. So this is the slicer I am using. Slicer I have put the date. Okay, so that we can select the dates in between. Okay, so these are the date. So matrix we have to create all these columns in the matrix. So I have written the measures. I have not pulled into the matrix because of space constraint, so I have pulled only one measure. So we'll see one by one these measures. Okay, so first one is current sales is nothing but sales. Okay, here sales are there, and total sales for all duration. Okay, total sales for all duration is nothing but this one. Okay, this is nothing but I am using the calculated function. So calculate sum of the sales, all data, means in the data table it will remove all filters and it will calculate the sum of the sales, that is total sales all duration. Okay guys, and the next one, total sales for slicer duration. Okay, total sales for slicer duration is this one. Here also I am using the calculated function. So calculate sum of the sales all except calendar date. Okay guys, so we have to take the date, we have to apply filter for date, slicer duration, and we have to calculate the sum of the sales. Then you will get the sum of the sales for slicer duration. Okay, so here I am removing the filter for slices, only applying the filter for slicer duration, and I am calculating the sum of the sales. Okay, so here sum of the sales for slicer duration is nothing but calculating the sum of the sales all except applying the date for that calendar date. Okay, so that is the total sales for slicer duration. Okay, and the next one is sale of last year to date. So date minus 364 days he is asking to subtract. Okay, sale of last year date, he is asking the what is the sales for the last year date. Okay, so sale of last year date is nothing but here I will see the measure, sale of last year date. Okay, yeah, so last year date is nothing but this one. Calculate sum of the sales, date add function I am using. I am taking the present date, I am subtracting 364 days, and terms of dates I am subtracting, right? From calendar date I am subtracting 364 days, so that I will get the exact date in previous year. So that's what is given, date minus 364 day. So sale of the last year date is nothing but calculate sum of the sales, date add, okay, calendar date minus 364 in terms of days. Okay, then we get the last year sale. Year to year sale, sale minus last year sale. Okay, so last year sale how we are getting here. Okay, so year to year sales is nothing but this one. Okay, so today's present sales minus previous year sales, that is year to year growth we can say. Okay, so year to year growth we can subtract present sales minus previous year sales. So previous year sales are nothing but I am using the previous year function here. Calculate sum of the sales, previous year's calendar date. So we'll get the previous year sales. Once you get the previous year sales, you can subtract present sales minus previous year sales. That is year on year growth. Okay. Next, last week sale, current date minus 6 days. Okay, last week sales means nothing but this one. Calculate sum of the sales, date add calendar date minus 6 days in terms of days. Okay, then we get the last year sales. Okay guys, then year to date sales, YTD is asking year to date sales. So year to date sales is nothing but we have a function, right, total YTD. So by using the total YTD, we will get year to date sales. Okay, sum of the sales with the calendar date using total YTD, year to date sales. Total sales till date. Okay, so measure total sales till date, nothing but cumulative sales. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky. Okay, so total sales till date. Yeah, so this is the function. Total sales till date, nothing but cumulative sales till date. How you will get? We will get the sum of the sales. We have to do calculate function and take the sum of the sales, and we have to filter, we have to apply and take the maximum date, and we have to calculate, apply a filter less than the maximum date. For example, you selected a date, then you have to select less than the date, all dates less than the date in filter, then calculate the sum of the sales. Okay, so we will get the cumulative days, cumulative sales till the date. Okay, for example, here applied here this measure, cumulative sales till date. So it will tell for January 1st 100, January 2nd 101. So if you cumulative is 201, like that it will go up to here January 31st 3565, and February 1st again it will add 131 to this 3565. So 3696. Okay, like that it will add all cumulative sales. So what here we are doing, we are selecting the date whenever this date is selected. So from that date to all previous days. For example, 4 is selected, from below 4 we will calculate, less than or equal to 4 we will calculate, and we will take the sum of the sales. Okay, like that we will calculate the cumulative sales till date. Okay, maximum sales for all time. Okay, maximum sales for all time is nothing but, yeah, maximum sale for all date. I am checking here. Yeah, total sales for all duration is nothing but sum of the sales, remove all filters, then we'll get the total sales for all duration. Okay guys, maximum sale for selected slicer, maximum sales for selected slicer is nothing but this one. Okay, so calculate sum of the sale all except calendar duration. Okay guys, this is the calendar duration. So whatever we have to apply the calendar duration filter, then take the sum of the sales, then we'll get the sum of the sales in the slicer duration. Okay, next one, maximum sale for all time. Okay, maximum sale for all time is nothing but maximum sale for all time. So maximum is this one. Okay, maximum sale for all time is this one. Okay, calculators maximum sales, you have to use the max function, maximum sales and all data. Okay, maximum, this is minimum sales for selected slicer. Okay guys, minimum sale for selected slicer is nothing but this one. We have to use the minimum function, and all except we have to use, because we are selecting a slicer duration, right? So whenever slicer duration is applied, okay, that is taken into consider into this filter, then we have to calculate the minimum sales. Okay guys, now we'll apply and apply the slicer and see the values. Okay, so for example here 1051 is there, measure maximum. So it won't depend on the slicer, because this is the maximum sale in the entire data. Okay, so this will change, measure maximum sale selected duration, this will change. Okay guys, this and this will change. and this won't change. These are minimum maximum sales for entire data, but this second one and fourth one are selected duration slicer. Okay, the maximum and minimum sales in selected duration of slicer. So if you select the slicer, okay, then these values will change, 795 and 390. So if I change this, then again it will change. Okay guys, so 543, like that it will change. Okay, so these are how we are calculating is this one, minimum slicer duration. We have to use the all except and take the calendar date filter. Okay, and maximum also same thing. We have to use calculate match function, and all except we have to use and take the value. Okay guys, so like this we will solve this case study given in the exam, and we will select for interview. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Ambi Tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.